Good morning, everyone. John from Popeyes Postcards. I guess I'm going to do things a little backwards this week. I forgot I had this up right now. Postcard shows. Go to a postcard show. There are some coming up in the next few weeks. This weekend coming up, Tulsa, Oklahoma, February 17th and 19th. All my Canadian friends, Toronto, Ontario, February 26th. March 4th in Havre de Grace, Maryland. If you live in the Philly area, it's maybe an hour south of you. I believe I am going to that one. And March 10th, 11th, Dallas, Texas. So go to a postcard show. Sales sure do go down a little bit when you don't have half a dozen rare Disney cards to sell, but I sold one more. So this week on my main store, 60 orders, 905. Over on Airplane Cards, a little bit better than it had been over the last couple weeks. 21 orders, 322, helped by a lot of the photographs. And for those who were worried about me not listing and not doing well, almost $3,800 last week on Whatnot. So doing okay. If I keep that pace up, that's $250,000 a year. I'm not bragging, just I'm busting my ass. So, yeah, postcards, a lot of money in it. Just got to get at it. List, you sell. So, let's get at it. Pitter Patter. Postcard, New Jersey, West Orange Cocktail Corner Lounge at Rod's 1920. So, this has been up for probably about 8-9 years. Finally sold. You can tell by the horrible background. $6.99 for that card. Next, Point Pleasant Beach, New Jersey, Boardwalk Jenkins Pavilion. I don't know if that's Leroy Jenkins. I don't know. Can't remember where I got it from, but oh yeah, I know exactly where. That's a York postcard show. So I paid about $1 for that card, maybe less. Franklin, Pennsylvania, Burning Oil Tank, Atlantic Refining Company. Took a best offer. I think it was around $10 for that card, and it's going to Canada. Next, Humanized Dressed Cat at Beach. Cheerio, good luck from Saucy Puss. Probably could have put anthropomorphic. I may not have had enough room, and that's why I just put humanized. $14.99 for that card. Next we have World War I era group, AEF, which stands for American Expeditionary Force, Doughboys, French soldiers. A lot of questions I had on this card because it looked like it's different uniforms, so I did not know. I mean, we got people with berets, we got what looked like French hats. Some have, I can't remember what number is on those hats, 21 maybe. So I don't know if it was just a whole bunch of different soldiers. I no idea. Ooh, let's see, what about this offer? We'll take that offer in a second here. So I had questions over this. I got it at the York Postcard Show and paid about $1. And I got $17.99 for it. So that was the offer that just came in. Lyndhurst, New Jersey, this restaurant. I had it up for $8.49. They made an offer of $6.50. Anytime a buyer who is not a repeat buyer who has feedback less than 500, I always check and see what sort of feedback they leave for other sellers. So this person leaves great feedback, a lot of feedback, and I took the offer. So $6.50 live sale right there, and we'll see it again maybe next week. So yeah, anyway, I didn't know about this one. I put all those question marks, and it sold within about a month or so. So I'm happy with that sale. Hopefully they can figure it out and who those people are. Had a great multiple order on some Disney cards. A person contacted me, says, hey, I want to buy like 19 or 20 cards from you. Would you offer free shipping? Or that I had it for eBay standard envelope, and he said, you know, this sale is going to be more than $20. And I said, if you buy, I think maybe it was 29 postcards. I said, if you buy that many postcards, you're going to get free shipping. So they came in and had to split it over a couple orders, but all Disney cards, all $7, $8, 6, 7, $8, something like that, $4 there, but all of them, $9 on that one. So yeah, I don't think it was I don't think they were best offers. I think they just paid full price. So that order was $90. This order was another 47. Same person, same, all Disney cards. And the thing about them, they were all postally used. So this guy, whoever this person, a guy, just said guy. This person was collecting postally used Disney cards. So that was a nice $130 order. That was just came out of the blue. I love those. Next is Sweden Fairy Trolls Troll Embroidery Fantasy. So I believe printed in Sweden. I was going to say Norway. Do I even put? Yeah, he even said Sweden. So anyway, $12.99 for that card. Might have taken a best offer of about $10. I thought that was a pretty cool card. West Nyack, New York, Dexter Postcard Company, Plant Factor Delivery Card. So here's a postcard of the postcard manufacturer, Dexter. I believe I got this at a York postcard show. No way I paid $8 for it. I think that was like a quarter box card. Took a best offer, $35. It's been up for a couple years, but I thought it was pretty special because you just don't see that often. So $35 best offer for that card. Arizona Tucson Romeo Trailer Estates Camping Ground. Love the old vintage station wagon, the old campers. I had 3 of these, and I believe that was the last one, all sold for around $12 or more on best offers. Next, Tucson, Arizona, Bob Kleberg's Pussyfoot Tire Center. Come on down. What, 70s? Something like that. That's my guess. Maybe early 80s. But I'm thinking about 70s. $8.99 for that one. The same person bought those both, so I just included both of them. Panama Canal, Statistics, Atlantic Pacific, the Kiss of the Oceans. Right there. I got $16.99. Sometimes these go for higher, sometimes they go for lower. I think I put mine right smack dab in the middle. But $16.99 York Postcard Show, paid about $1 for that. San Jacinto Hemet 7th Year Ramona Pageant Outdoor Play. I've sold cards from this play before. I think I've had real photos from that. $17.99 for that card. Here's another Disney card. $2.50. Now I didn't get the $3.50 that the other cards were going for. This one's in rather poor shape. I didn't pay much for it. The person who's been buying all these cards from me asked when the next one was coming in. I told him I just got it in the mail. Sent him a picture of it. And I said, I understand that this one is in worse shape than the other one, so I said I was going to list it at auction. He said, well, what do you want for it? And I said, make me a fair offer. And he said $2.50. Considering the shape of this card, I thought that was extremely fair. And Dawn Wright is sending messages during my video, Dawn. So anyway, I took that offer. I had this in my possession for about an hour. So $2.50 for that. I would love to keep finding these, but they're getting a little harder to find. People have gotten onto my honey hole. Hey, that's fine. I wouldn't share if I didn't expect that. So hope you all get the cards and make a boatload of money on them. Sold some Coca-Cola menu sheets. These came in a box lot auction of Postcards years ago. They've been listed for probably 2 years now. $15 for these Coca-Cola sheets. I thought those were pretty cool. Next, yep, it's a stone painted by that person in this place, and there's a poem. It was weird. There's Dawn again. Oh, that's Marty. Jimmy, we're having a little... I need to close that down. Sorry about that. Whatever this was, it sold for $14.99. Okay, I closed out of that. So this is Netherland, Colorado, bird's eye view of town, real photo, Q30. I think this was a York postcard buy for about $1. Pretty sure it was. $14.99. Next, Gold Seekers, Thanksgiving Day, California, 1849, John Winch. Sometimes John Winches are done by Samuel Schmucker. I don't think this was by him, but still, probably about $14 on a best offer on that card. Next, over on airplane cards, a decent week over there. Definitely helped by a whole bunch of offers on 8x10 photos. Most were about $18. One might have been $22, but here's a Republic F-105 Thunder Chief. Then I had a multiple quantity order, which I'm getting more and more of those. This was, I don't know, 7 or 8 cards for $24.74. Pretty cool postcard here. JAL, Japanese Airlines, Jumbo Boeing 747. The selling point here is the Movifoto. It was a publisher out of Medellin, Colombia, Movifoto. And that's what you want to look for if you ever find airplane. This is a self-published. This is not a airline issued. It's published by this Movifoto. Pretty good cards if you can find them. Another American Airlines 747. Nope, not 747. What am I trying to say? Black and white photo. That's what I'm trying to say. Sold for, this one went for $22. Another 105 Thunder Chief, same buyer, $18 best offer. I think they bought this one too, an F4 Phantom Jet, $18. And I might have gotten this one too. I think they got 4. AT-37D Tweet Jet, Cessna. I didn't know Cessnas made fighter jets. That's one thing I've learned with these airplane cards. And last one was a Sabre F-100 Jet Air Force, also around $18. I closed this down. I know I closed this down. Well, they're all going to appear in the What Sold video. So, yeah, pretty good sales. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have great sales too, and we'll see you later.